Hi, this is Coach Isabel, and welcome to episode 8 of my Money Mindset and Love Life series. Kung pera ang energy mo, malamang broke or bankrupt ka na. Sa love life pa lang, ubus na ubus ka. Overthinking, waiting, understanding, fixing, and giving. Love shouldn't drain your energy. Pero siya, hindi man lang nagbabayad ng kapalit. Ni effort, wala. Ni consistency, wala. Ni respeto, minsan wala rin. You can't keep paying for someone who gives nothing back. Ganito rin sa pera at sa side hustle. Yung gigising ka, pagod kahit bagong gising. Yung nagwo-work ka pero walang direksyon. Yung may business ka pero ikaw lahat ang nagpapalakad. Energy drains create life drains. Hindi lahat ng ginagawa mo deserve ng energy mo. Hindi lahat ng tao deserve ng access sa utak mo. At hindi lahat ng opportunity deserve ng puso mo. Not everything deserves your energy. When you protect your energy, you protect your future. You protect your growth, you protect your peace. At doon ka nagsisimulang magkaroon ng tunay na progress. Protect your energy, protect your life. So from today, spend your energy wisely. Invest only in what gives you peace, progress, and the woman you are becoming. This is Coach Isabel reminding you na your energy is precious. Hindi yan unlimited. So don't waste it on the wrong people and wrong paths. Thank you.